We're going to Ferrara and we're all tired. It's such a rush morning. We have all our stuff. It's so heavy. Number one rule of backpacking? Pack light. Pack light. We're in Ferrara. Alex, we're in Ferrara.
Rawr.
Rawr. We're with the girls. Look at this cute ice cream. Hell yeah, what'd you get?
Camino, cafe,
Yeah.
something else.
Yum!
Cutest.
What are you doing?
I'll hang my laundry, so.
Look at this.
Gotta make sure you know.
Oh my god.
Have room for more shirts.
Ah.
Who
Hello.
are you? Are you?
Hi, my name's Danny.
Morning, everyone. To the moon, yeah. It's so hot and sunny. There's Disney. We slept at what time? 4 a.m.
After I passed
We just talked.
Oh, that's nice.
We're in Bologna now.
I always say Sophia's.
Hey Alex, can you tell me the history of this?
Well, in case you didn't know, this place was built in 1932.
Wow, really?
Yes! By the late Captain Sir John Smith.
Like in Pocahontas?
Yeah, you didn't know he built this city.
He built this city.
Where's the, is there a way?
2 towers in Bologna. Yeah, it's gonna be a hike. We're on top of 2 towers. Oh, look at this.
On top of what?
The 2 towers. I don't know, 2 towers in Bologna.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh my god, that's perfect.
Oh my gosh, he's doing it. Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll wait.
Oh, you guys. Oh.
Oopsie.
You see my eye twitching?
Where? Is it twitching?
It's actually twitching.
Oh, I see it. I actually see it. We're in. Oh my gosh.
Kidding. We're in Bologna. We just went up that thing and it took like 10 minutes, I guess. Felt like longer though.
We are sweating. We are gross. We are living life. It's windy up there.
Living my best life.
Hashtag
2018.
JasWandering. This wall. You can talk to it. Hey, can you guys say something? Hello? Yes. Oh my gosh, they're right there. And I can hear them. Everyone saying bye to each other. What's that?
Next year.
Bye, Bologna. Guys,
You don't remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
currently at Santa Maria del Fiore by Brunelleschi. with the amazing dome, the herringbone dome. As architecture students, we are excited.
Ah, you know he double domed it?
Yeah. This is the one with the.
Facts by Davir.
I did a paper on this. And the dome is like the highlight. I mean, everything's the highlight, but the dome is like where physics and chemistry, architecture comes together.
There's a girl on top of that Gucci sign. It's really, oh my gosh, go for it.
So Gucci.
I've been waiting in this line for about 30 minutes to go inside. What is this? Santa Maria del Fiore.
Wait, what's what? There's something on your screen.
So we are so excited. We're like seeing a celebrity.
It's the door.
It's the door that started this. We're gonna cry. I never traveled with architecture students before, so I'm glad that everyone's excited with me. So we're at the Uffizi, the first office here. Guys, it's pouring outside. We have to go to the train station still. And my mouth is burning from the spicy pizza. We're trapped. We're trapped. So we're eating. Good morning. We're heading to Rome. We have, okay, let's do haul again. Let's do food haul.
Are you guys eating?
I'm obsessed.
I'm not hungry yet.
I'm obsessed with speck, guys. I'm gonna miss this.
And then we have our new session.
I knew such an only here though. Sprite, water, Coke.
And then because we've been eating sorry, crap.
Salad! Is this mine? That's it.
I don't know, that's mine. I got the same as
Yeah,
Jasmine.
salad.
And then
We're so healthy.
Darlene wanted some
Olives, because she's extra. Alex is struggling.
It fits perfectly.
Welcome to our crib! It's our Airbnb! That's our living room and dining room. It's pretty. And then we have our view up down here with the aqueduct over there. And then we have a cafe down here. Look at the cute car! Ooh! Okay. And then walking here, TV, another TV. Then our kitchen.
Oh, hey.
Oh, welcome to.
Hey. Welcome to our house.
And then this is a little kitchen. Look at the floor. It's my favorite color.
You like green?
It's mint green.
Is it favorite color?
It's my favorite color. And then there's a lime green chairs. And then our little balcony here, where we can hang our clothes. Every apartment in the back. Cute. Okay. Come here. And then we go to the bedroom. Oh no, let's go to washroom. Bidet. Cute. And in the bedroom, we have bunk beds. Darlene up there. Delvin, you guys is looking sexy.
We're practicing how to do
Yeah, I should make up Darlene like that. And then we don't have AC, so we have 2 electric fans here because it's warm AF. Still the view over here. This is my spot. This is Alex's spot. I know. Smile. end the video. Oh! Oh! Walking on the streets of Rome. We're roaming around.
We're roaming
Around.
in Rome.
In Rome. Looks pretty here. Look at the trees here. It's very odd. It's so cool. I have no idea where we are, honestly. We're little lost.
I think he's fine.
Little lost, but
Also, we lost Alex, as usual. How are you guys feeling?
I'm so
Fantastic. It's amazing. Yeah.
It looks so nice. Look at that sunset. And then you can see the church. Hold
you
up.
guys stand over there and do something cute.
Okay, okay. Guys, that's the church. Look at this. Woo. Look how many people there are.
I put so much money in.
Yo, what's that bungee jump that you do?
Oh my goodness, you guys, we're in the Colosseum! The Colosseum! It's here! I'm freaking out! Can't believe we're here! Ah, the Pantheon! He looks like a huge celebrity! So many people. Guys, I did a case study for this church here, Santivo alla Sapienza by Francesco Borromini. This is amazing that I'm on it. I'm stepping on it. Ah! I'm getting gelato. 150 flavors gelato. I got watermelon, mango, passion fruit, and berry. Well, strawberry, sorry. Yes! One thing we like about Europe, running water, because it's nice on the body. Ooh, Alex. And it's potable water, so you can drink it. We're at the Leonardo da Vinci Museum. There's so many things to move around. There's this one. Oh gosh, Alex. Alex, Alex.
Fingering right now.
Do not, Alex.
Shut up.
Don't. I don't know what this is, but. Oh shoot! Jeez, Alex. This is how we cross. Everyone's inching towards us. It's actually really. And everyone's just passing behind us. Oh, there's a cop. How did that feel?
Like I was gonna die.
Awesome crossing roads here. You just stare at the cars.
You just go, even though they look like they're gonna hit you. You just gotta hope
No,
they
you're
stop.
slowly. You gotta pray.
Let Jesus take the
Let Jesus take the wheel. We're in San Pietro. I thought there was a border to get in this, but I guess not? I don't know. Or maybe this is security. But look at this beauty. Look at that beauty. It's huge. Fine down here. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Ah! Ah! We're at the Vatican Museum. We barely had to wait in line, which is amazing. Look at these three. So interested with the art, eh? So interested? But what are you guys really interested in?
Air conditioning. Best form of art.
We just finished the Vatican City. What do you guys think?
It's so beautiful.
We've been skipping a lot of lines. The Colosseum, museums, stuff like that, because we're smart. We got the 72 Roma Pass. But yeah, so it's nice to see the creation of Adam.
The first one is cute.
What else?
And the
The
Basilica.
Basilica San Pietro, which was really beautiful. What else? Museum of Vatican and the Sistine Chapel.
All the Roman architecture.
I can see myself.
Narcissist.
Look at these guys storm watching. There's a lightning storm outside.
Wait, hurry.
Crazy. It's
Wait,
so
for-
close.
Can we open the
3, 2, 1.
And a
I wanna
5,
open
6,
this.
7, 8, and a. Oh, no, nothing.
Cute. Oh.
Oh my goodness, if we get shocked, we're gonna die.
Oh. Can you take a picture?
Well, I'm gonna take a video of it. Where does it come?
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Oh my god! I totally got that! Last morning in Rome. Packing up. I am going home. I'm excited to sleep in my own bed, shower in my own bathroom, and just everything. I miss it. Time to go home after being delayed and running again to our gate because airports. Woo! Where are we?
We're stuck in Toronto.
We are stuck in Toronto because I'm not gonna say. We are stuck in Toronto. We're flying tomorrow morning. I don't even know. This day has been so long.
Jasmine sounds so drunk right now.
I am so tired. We get a free voucher to our hotel here. We're flying tomorrow at 7 a.m. And we got our first meal in Canada. Subway. Eat fresh.
And guess what? Tomorrow,
Timmy's. What are you gonna say?
I remember telling Darlene when we were in Rome.
Yeah.
Or somewhere, I'm like, oh, I just want to get like
I remember
Subway.
that. Yeah. You got
I
it.
got it for free in Toronto.
I ain't even mad about it.
So that's it. Tomorrow we're gonna be back in Vancouver. Finally. One more day, guys. One more.